Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. In this rice cooker, customer has given me there is no power. Let's see how to fix it. So this is the rice cooker. So let me turn it on. Let's see. Yeah, see there is no power. So remove the plug. I have removed already the screws for saving time. So let's see actually what is the problem. So we have to check the wire also, neutral and live. This is the switch. See from neutral. So I have neutral and left. So see neutral from neutral. So yeah, we have continuity to there. From there to yeah, in switch also we have continuity. Yeah, there is also, and from switch to the heating element. So neutral is okay. See now live. Yeah, we have continuity here. So through this fuse, it has gone to the heating element. So should be there also. See we have here continuity, but there are no continuity. So that means this fuse has gone inside this plastic. There is thermal fuse, so there is no continuity. So that means this thermal fuse has gone. So I have to change this thermal fuse, and this is the common problem all of the rice cooker. Always thermal fuse is spoiled. So let me remove the screws and remove the fuse also. Yeah, this is the fuse. So let's check again to make it confirm. So yes, see there is beep. So there is no beep, no continuity. So that means it's bad. We have to replace it. This 170 degrees Celsius, 10 ampere. 170 degrees Celsius. So you have to change nearby 170 degrees Celsius. 180 also will be okay. So I have so many, all are different. 180, 160 also can use, but I have 170, 10 ampere. See, yeah, this is good because it's new. That's why there is continuity. So dear viewers, I'll change. So dear viewers, after the thermal fuse, so see I have changed. I put new thermal fuse. So let's see, we test it again. See, from live to the heating element. Yes, we have continuity. So let's see, we plug it in. Turn it on. Yes, dear viewers, alhamdulillah, there is light. Yeah, there is power. So alhamdulillah, dear viewers, it's working fine. It will work. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.